Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're talking about the Roborock Saros 10R, one of the newest robot vacuums on the market. This thing promises next-level cleaning, smart navigation, and even advanced mopping features, but is it actually worth the hype? Or is it just another overhyped gadget with a big price tag? Let's break it down. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you love honest reviews without the sales pitch. And if you've used a Roborock vacuum before or have any questions, drop a comment below. I want to hear from you. Right out of the box, the Saros 10R looks sleek, very futuristic with a premium build. It's thin, which means it can actually fit under furniture where most robot vacuums struggle. That alone is a huge win because nobody likes moving their couch just to clean under it. It also has a 10-in-1 multifunctional dock, which is way more than just a charging station. It empties the dustbin, refills the water tank, cleans the mop with hot water, and even dries it with warm air, all automatically. Basically, this vacuum cleans itself, which is pretty wild. All right, let's talk about what actually matters. How well does it clean? The suction power is impressive. It picks up pet hair, crumbs, and dust without a problem. I tested it on different surfaces, hardwood, tile, carpet, and it handled all of them really well. The cool part is that it automatically adjusts suction depending on the surface, so it's not wasting battery when it doesn't need to. Now, the mopping function is where things get interesting. Instead of just dragging a wet cloth around like some vacuums, this thing has a flexi-arm riser, side brush, and mop, meaning it actually gets into corners and edges, places most robot mops completely miss. It also knows when to lift the mop so your carpets don't get soaked, which is a lifesaver. And the navigation? Super smart. The StarSight Autonomous System 2.0 uses solid-state LiDAR, which basically means it scans your home and plans the best route. It doesn't bump into furniture or get stuck, and it actually learns where everything is over time. You can even set no-go zones in the app if there are areas you don't want it to touch. I ran this vacuum for a week, and here's what stood out. It's quiet. Not whisper silent, but definitely not annoying. You can have it running while watching TV, and it won't drive you crazy. Battery life is solid. It easily covers a large space in one go, and if it runs low, it automatically goes back to the dock, charges up, and finishes the job. The app controls are actually useful. You can schedule cleanings, customize suction and water levels, and even watch a live map of where it's cleaning. No product is perfect, so let's talk about the downsides. The price, yeah, it's expensive. You're paying for all these smart features, and while they're great, it's definitely not a budget-friendly option. The dock is huge. Since it does so much, self-cleaning, refilling, drying, the station takes up a lot of space. If you live in a small apartment, this might be an issue. Mopping is good but not perfect. It works well for everyday maintenance, but if you've got stubborn, dried-up stains, you'll probably still need to do some manual scrubbing. So is the Roborock Saros 10R worth it? If you want a fully automated cleaning experience, this is about as close as it gets. The self-emptying, self-cleaning, and smart mapping features make it ridiculously convenient. The suction is strong, the mopping is solid, and it actually avoids getting stuck on random objects. That said, if you're on a budget, there are definitely cheaper robot vacuums that still get the job done. And if you don't mind emptying a dustbin yourself, you might not need all the fancy features. Are there any other key points you think should have been mentioned? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.